Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best child's rocking chair that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Fantasy Fields Wooden Bouquet Theme Rocking Chair. And our top pick for today is this adorable rocking chair from Fantasy Fields. It features a floral theme to it, which should add a spark of femininity and charm to your child's room. The paint is also free from toxins, which makes it perfect for the nursery or the kids' playroom. The material is sturdy, so this rocking chair should last for a long time. The weight limit of this chair is a bit too low, in comparison with the rest of the products here. But as long as your child is within the required weight, then this chair should be perfect. The design and overall charm of the chair are undeniably beautiful, so it is worth a purchase. At number 4. B&Z Classic Rocking Chair for Children. When you want a suitable rocking chair for your little one, this item should be perfect for your needs. It is undeniably pretty and safe for your child, as it is made of solid hardwood without any toxic materials used for the paint. The high glossy style also keeps it looking great, which means you do not have to worry about keeping it shiny. It is hassle-free to assemble and should be ready to use in no time. Just be sure to check the maximum weight capacity of this chair. It definitely looks great, and you should not have any problem with keeping it well maintained, as it is a low-maintenance type of a rocking chair that looks quite gorgeous. At number 3. Lipper Rocking Chair for Kids. Perfect for your child's use, this rocking chair is quite a lovely piece of furniture to have. If your little one likes to have her personal rocker just like her grandma's, then this is the best choice for her. It is safe without any sharp or rough edges. The material used is rubberwood, which is known for its solid construction. The dark walnut finish is equally lovely, and it should match your child's room very easily. This is a beautiful chair that your child will definitely love. The paint color is a little on the dark side, so if you want something brighter or lighter, this chair might seem a bit too gloomy. You can spruce it up with a light-colored chair pad, though, to tame the dark color a little. At number 2. Fantasy Fields Garden Theme Rocking Chair. When it comes to aesthetics and functionality, you can never go wrong with what this rocking chair for kids has to offer. It provides a comfortable and safe space for your child to sit and enjoy a book or relax. It works perfectly well for your child's playroom or bedroom or even the garden. The whimsical feel of the chair is quite fascinating and should spark a burst of color in every room. From the details to the actual structure of the chair, there is no doubt that this beauty is truly well made. It is a great addition to any room, and there are no sharp edges to it that can hurt or injure your child. And finally at number 1. Child's Wooden Rocker. If blue is your child's favorite color, then this rocking chair should be just perfect for her needs. It comes in an adorable shade of blue that is just fitting for an equally adorable child. This rocking chair is solid hardwood made, so you can expect it to last for a long time. Perfect for outdoor or indoor use, you can easily set it right up on the porch, the living room, or the playroom. Do keep in mind that this rocking chair requires some assembly. So it is important that you have some basic tools at hand such as a screwdriver to help you put the pieces together. Other than that, you should be able to expect nothing but the best from this fine piece of item. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.